first thing I'm going to show you how to do is put these frame rail covers in. What you're going to need to do is prep the surface with rubbing alcohol 5900 and get this surface clean. Now your kit came with a little piece of Velcro. Once the surface is clean and prepped, you're going to stick this piece of Velcro directly to the top of the bar. Once your Velcro is attached, this is going to be the passenger side with the holes on it. And what you're going to need to do is squeeze these little clamps here, and it's going to remove this from the hose. Then what you're going to do is pretty much Velcro this directly into place. That time, pull these up. This little clamp, and it lines up still to the same hole that's in there. Both sides. Just like so. And then you will just repeat for the other side.